Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to fix Underdog Fantasy location error. Now if you are facing the error of location error on a device, or if you're not being able to use the Underdog Fantasy app and it keeps on saying location error, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. But before that, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Now to fix the error, you make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi and kind of data. So after that, the error may occur for various reasons. Now the error may occur if you are not being able to use the app on a certain reasons. So if you are using the app outside US, Canada or something, then you may face the error like unable to use the app on the certain location. Now to fix it, you may simply install any VPN on a device. So after installing any certain VPN, you need to simply connect to any VPN on your device, or you may connect to the US server on the VPN which you have installed. And after that, you need to simply open the Underdog Fantasy app on a device, and you need to try to sign in or create an account on Underdog Fantasy. So if you are able to use the account, that's good. If you are not able to use the account again like that, then you may simply go on a help center of Underdog Fantasy from the website, and you may report the problem on help center and they will help you to fix the error. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. That's how you can fix the location error on Underdog Fantasy. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.